Um, like I said, I've been saying we're really serious. INEC is really serious with regards to our goal in direction to lower the system's loss, no? And alam naman niyo yung systems loss, which is passed on to our consumers uh, as part of the rate for the month. Alam naman niyo yung systems loss, technical, at saka the other part is born out of itong mga ganitong filterage, no? Um, Again, nasa 10.40 tayo kanina stated sa systems loss. We really need to bring it down to the level that acceptable, no? Ang acceptable talaga, yung technical system niya. Mga 5% yan, 5-6%. In fact, there are bills passed in the lower house and at the Senate na gustong ibaba to, na hindi na ma-allow ang mga EC at saka mga private distribution utilities na i-pass on to, no? Or at least i-lower. Ang yung mga bill na nakita natin na in-introduce is really to lower it to 5%. So, kung nasa 10% tayo, imagine yung aabonohan ng INEC, no? Because we have to shoulder that. Unless talaga 5% lang. So, umisisahan na natin, alam naman natin yung anong sinabi nila nito, no? More or less. In fact, I'm happy to announce na for the past 2 months when we have intensified our campaign against filterage, no? Yung ating monthly talagang naibaba na. Kaya lang mataas pa yan, hindi naman nakikita niyo yung bills because ang systems loss has to be average for the year. So, pag in-input yung mababa nating actual is that when you input that for the past year, syempre, medyo mataas pa rin. No? But we will get there. So, I mentioned that because ibig sabihin, yung ginagawa natin, may epekto na. At yun talaga ang cost. Kasi nung nag-tweet tayo, naibababa. So, yun talaga ang cost. So, I want to also make an appeal. This is not easy for us. No? Hindi tayo natutuwa for INEC and even me as the GMFino to file cases, no? Hindi naman nakakatuwa yun. These are our MCOs, no? So, but I appeal na sana na po natin, naibaba na po natin ang kuryente. Let's be honest about it, you know? Yes, dami tayo ng kuryente, but diba, let's not violate the anti-filterage law, no? Para rin naman to, one, sa ngayon, habang hindi pa napapasa yung mga patas ngayon, actually, hindi naman si INEC ang nagsasuffer yan. Ang nagsasuffer yan, tayong lahat, because it is passed on. At yung pag pinasa on yun, ibig sabihin, pinaghati-hatian natin lahat. Lalo na yung mga maayos naman, yung nagpapayag, we have about 196,000 MCO. Yun nyo, this is yung sa data namin, medyo may problema, baka wala pang 1%. So, but because yung 1% na yun, when we convert that into kilowatt hour and the amount, syempre, malaki yun. And yung 1% na yun, pinaghahatian natin lahat. No? That is really quite unfair, to say the least. So, ginagawa natin to not because gusto lang natin mag-isa Pahirapan ng buhay ng mga NGO natin. Kaya nga natin binaba ang presyo ng kuryente para nga mas madali ang buhay ng ating mga kaibigan dito na low cost water.